Hey, so we are going to make a cherry sorbet today using matcha. And I'm going to use 2 matchas to incorporate in it. I'm going to use our unsweetened lemon matcha, which is just back for spring. And then along with our customer exclusive this month is very cherry matcha. So we'll use a half teaspoon of each one. I've got 2 cups of frozen cherries here in my cup, and we are going to add 1/4 of a cup of sweetened condensed milk. I like to just put it on the side here and let it drip while I go ahead and add my matcha. This is so simple to do. The longest part of it is letting it freeze. So we're going to go ahead and add our lemon matcha. And if you've not had matcha before or caught one of my videos, matcha is a green tea that is ground into a powder. It is full of antioxidants. You're consuming that whole tea leaf. You're getting a slow release caffeine over several hours, and then it has this wonderful L-theanine, which creates a calmness in our body. So it is just the perfect calm energy. A serving is a half teaspoon. We're doing 2 servings. So I'm using, again, a half teaspoon of very cherry from the March customer exclusive, and then a half teaspoon of the lemon matcha. All right, so this is the loud, kind of slower parts of this recipe is really just, I got to kind of smush my matcha down in there first. As you can see, it kind of created a little green smoke. But once we get this kind of incorporated in, then it's not gonna fly like that. All right, so I am using, you can see the emulsion mixer that I have, but you could do this in a food processor or a blender very easily. And it's loud, it doesn't take long. As you can see, I'm almost done already. And there we go. Look at that. So let's try not to drip too much of this all over the counter. There we go. All right, so I'm going to take, I have these little cups that I'm going to use, and then I'll stick them in the freezer. These cups I have a little lid, so it's perfect for me to throw it in the freezer. And I've already got one that is done right here, and you can see cherry sorbet. How easy was that? I hope you enjoyed.